Meaning of dual control.
Dual control.
Dual control.
Dual control.
Dual control. Dual control refers to a safety feature used in various systems, such as aviation or nuclear power plants, that requires two people to authorize certain actions or decisions. This is done to ensure that no single individual can cause an accident or mistake due to error, negligence, or malicious intent. Dual control helps prevent catastrophic incidents and ensures greater safety in high-risk environments. It also adds an additional layer of accountability, as both individuals involved are responsible for the outcome of their decisions and actions.